Learn English as well as motivate yourself.
Life is not about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning to dance in the rain. Success begins with the courage to try. Don't be afraid to take that first step.
Don't let fear hold you back, embrace your fears and conquer them. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. So, make today count.
One of hope, positivity, and the power of words to transform lives. Believe in yourself, and you're halfway there. Confidence is the key to unlocking your potential.
Strength doesn't come from what you can do, it comes from overcoming the things you once thought you couldn't. Obstacles are just stepping stones on the path to your dreams. Embrace them, learn from them, and keep moving forward.
Believe in yourself, even when no one else does. The only limit to your success is the one you set for yourself. Break free and achieve greatness.
Sometimes you have to create your own sunshine. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it.
Accept your past, embrace your present, and create your future. It always seems impossible until it's done.
It's impossible to not be moved by their resilience.
Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Your attitude determines your altitude. You are never too old to set another goal or to dream a new dream.